If you want modern ride comfort and handling for your classic F100 without the sky-high cost of a full chassis swap, then this is the kit for you. Today, we're diving into the complete Mustang II IFS system from Classic Performance Products, built specifically for 1965 through 1979 Ford F100 half-ton trucks. This is more than just a front suspension kit. It's a full independent front suspension system that bolts right into your classic Ford pickup. The kit includes a crossmember, coil springs, spindles, upper and lower control arms, sway bar, gas shocks, forged hubs, CPP's big bore calipers, and even a brand new rack and pinion, manual or power, your choice. What really makes this kit shine is the flexibility. You can choose between stock or 2-inch drop spindles depending on your ride height goals. CPP's kit comes in several lug pattern sizes that will fit most wheels. So whether you're building a street rod, cruiser, or show truck, you've got options. This Mustang II IFS system transforms your classic F100 from bumpy and unpredictable to smooth, responsive, and downright enjoyable to drive. Performance braking comes standard with 11 3/4-inch rotors and CPP's big bore calipers. But if you want serious stopping power, you can upgrade to CPP's CS 13-inch brake system, featuring C7 hubs and C5 twin piston calipers with drilled and slotted rotors. Classic Performance Products has spent years refining this kit for strength, reliability, and ease of installation. Every component is engineered to work together, and best of all, it bolts right into place without cutting up your frame. You don't have to drop 5 figures on a full frame just to get a great ride. This kit provides the comfort, stance, and control of a modern truck, at a price that makes sense. Designed for 1965 to 1979 Ford half-ton pickups, this system is a direct fit. And if you've got basic tools and a weekend, you can make it happen at home. Everything you need is included, right down to the mounting hardware. And with upgrades like coilovers or airbags, you can dial in the ride quality exactly how you want it. If you're ready to modernize your classic F100 with a suspension system that drives like a dream, check out the Mustang II IFS kit from Classic Performance Products. To learn more and start your build today, see the links in the description below or visit classicperform.com. Thanks for watching. Please click a link below to check out our channel sponsors. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it fun, informative, as well as helpful. And from the video crew at Car Culture Unleashed, we wish all of our viewers a fun and happy motoring day.